The windstorm that occurred in December last year destroyed 13 houses with a combined population of 75 residents. Since then, the families sought shelter at neighboring houses.
Many homes were destroyed, many families were affected because as I'm speaking now, as you are seeing, all these tents are erected at places where the homes were completely destroyed. And these people were living not in makeshift shelters, but at their neighbors, asking for some places to stay.
Cabinet passed the resolution to have the affected families build houses.
21 houses will be built for Ochodonjupa and Omaheke respectively, for all those homes that were completely destroyed by these windstorms, of which Ochinene will benefit probably half of it, because there was a delegation from the office of the Prime Minister who have come in person to come and see this disaster that happened in Ochinene. And these tents will only be borrowed to the beneficiaries for some time up until houses are built.